Hello everyone. Today we have our student Radhika Tuli with us, who is in NLIU Bhopal. And अभी आप लोग की प्रोविजनल लिस्ट भी आ रही है जिसमें आपको कॉलेजेस मिल रहे होंगे. So you really need to know कि एक्चुअल रिव्यू क्या है कॉलेज का. एंड वो एक अच्छा लाइक स्टूडेंट ही बता सकता है कि अंदर कॉलेज के चल क्या रहा है. So Radhika's first sem is over. Let's take her feedback. Hi Radhika.
Hi
अब आप
Dee.
स्टूडेंट से शेयर करो. आपका फर्स्ट सेम हो चुका है. तो
Yes.
कैसा रहा अभी ओवरऑल आपका एक्सपीरियंस?
Okay, first of all, I would like to say when you get into college, everything is different, everything changes. School जैसा कुछ नहीं होता. CLAT, A-Late, you forget about everything, जो था, whatever. At first, it is fun. It is very fun. You will enjoy your life as a student of NLIU Bhopal. There's this culture of student-senior interaction as well. So it is amazing. You feel like you might not fit in, but you definitely find your people in the college. It will definitely be good for you.
People are
Plus,
warm basically.
yes, people are very warm. You will definitely find your people. You might not, you might, yes. So being completing my first sem, it was amazing. It was a mix of feelings. Being in NLU Bhopal, I'm genuinely living in a jungle. शेर स्पॉटिंग जितनी नहीं है वहाँ पे. So like on the fence पे आ जाते हैं and it's crazy when you
फ्री
hear
की
about
सफारी
it.
चल रही है
हाँ,
बेसिकली.
फ्री की सफारी चलते हैं and हम मस्ती में बाहर भी चले जाते हैं कि चलो आज बाहर
शेर
चलते
देखते
हैं,
हैं.
आज देखते हैं, आज हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. इवन तो अभी तक मिला नहीं.
स्नेक्स तो मिल गए.
स्नेक्स मिल गए यार. आई वाज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग राइट हियर. सांप वहाँ पे जा रहा है बस. वेरी कैजुअल, वेरी नॉर्मल. भोपाल.
Now let's come to some specific things. ठीक है, let's start with the infrastructure of the college.
Okay, so the infrastructure of NLIU Bhopal is great all over, I would say. The what makes the difference is not the place where you are. I mean, the name really matters, but the people are what makes it a place. It makes it a home. It makes it a second home. So, as per the infrastructure, obviously it is a government college. It won't have that hi-fi वो सब
Facilities, हाँ.
facilities चाहिए होती जो ACs वगैरह. You won't have that. For me, it was hard to adjust as well. I was spiraling out in my first week. I used to call my mentor Sarthak sir as well. Sir, it's hard. It's very hard here. But you really, really adjust. बर्तन भी धोने पड़ेंगे, पंखे साफ करने पड़ेंगे. But yeah, it is really fun when you're just with your friends or with your roommates. तुम साथ में सफाई कर रहे हो तो उसने कुछ कर रहा है, उसने कुछ करना है. It's really fun. All over you, the goal chucker and the library of NLIU is really great. It is very well known that there's a prominent infrastructure in the college. So the hostels are great. नए बन रहे हैं. The one that I'm living in was recently made, so it's relatively good. There are other hostels for the seniors. We live separate, but it's good. It's good.
And canteen and all.
Canteen is good. The canteen is good. It is okay. I would say not the best. Food review, canteen review जो चल रहा है आजकल वो तो जितना नहीं होगा वहाँ पे. But mess food is not great. बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हो चुकी है. Seniors have protested in the mess itself. So सफाई खुद ही करनी होगी. You'll have to do it on your own. Laundry you can get, yeah, definitely. Services are there, but they're trying to make it better because students are trying to make it better. Definitely they're
ये तो
working
हर
up to it.
गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज का है,
Issue है.
इशू है.
Issue है.
So the next thing we'll talk about is academics.
Okay. Really soft spot for me. Okay, so talking about the academics of NLIU Bhopal, I would say it might start off at easy. You might think it is easy, but you will not know time कब आगे जा चुका है and mid sems आ चुके हैं और mid sems is where it all starts. सब शुरू हो जाता है. Mid sems में you get a bit of syllabus. There are subjects like contracts. There are subjects like torts. There's a particular subject, common law method, which is particularly only I found that it is only in NLIU Bhopal. मतलब in rest of the places there's legal methods. Other colleges have that subject. Our college has common law methods, and it is taught by Professor Gayur Alam. And about one fact about him, he is the professor that taught the first class when the college was first inaugurated.
Damn, wow.
Yeah. So
It must be very prestigious studying from him.
yes, definitely. In my first time as well. So
Yeah.
that about that. So there are total 6 subjects. it will get hard eventually, because contracts may the professor that you will face in my college, he won't give you the bare acts. You won't. You will have to learn 75 to 80 sections on your own. And mid-sems may it gets really hard. So I would suggest you start from the beginning,
Hmm.
because mid-sems are gaye, they're done, they're over. And I'm telling this to you because no one told this to me. The answer scripts of this college are this big, and they're like this much, and you have to fill it out. पूरा भरना होता है almost.
एंड मोमेंट पे पढ़ाई नहीं चलेगी बेसिकली यहाँ.
नहीं, नहीं, even though मैंने करी, did not work out well. So उसके बाद, because you get a lot of things, there are a lot of events that go on, पढ़ाई करने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, वाइवा आएगा, प्रोजेक्ट आएगा, and plus you have to talk up to your professors as well, because you want good grades, you want that those scores in your viva, because they are the professors that will be taking, and that will be marking your project as well. And then NSEMs will take you out, because that takes up the entire syllabus, and end तक syllabus चलता है. It's like 28th को syllabus खत्म हुआ and 30th को paper है. ऐसा भी होता है. So you need to work from the beginning, and you need to keep that consistency as well, and don't just leave it out at the end.
Sounds hectic.
Yeah, it is.
So the last and the most fun part of the colleges, अब हम बात करते हैं कि NLIU भोपाल का कल्चर कैसा है.
Okay, the culture is great. First of all, I would talk about the senior junior culture. That is really great, because when you come into the college, you know nothing. You know nothing, and there are people that have been living there for 2, 3, 4, 5 years as well. So when they talk about that, when you talk to them, you really feel like you're in place, because they have been through the same thing that you're going through right now. So they really help you in that fact, and they sometimes they become your second parents. It really happens. Your seniors or fourth year seniors will become like, okay, for at NLI Bhopal, you need to address them as sir and ma'am. So, but that does not hinder the bond, I would say. That really makes it special, and that is something that nobody can replace. Even if seniors will pass out, they will still know you. They will still know you by your name, because you have a good bond with them. Because the culture is, you need to meet them. Most of the colleges don't have the culture ki seniors ko ja ke milo and wo sab karo, but it really becomes fun. You get to know the people in the college. You get to know about things about college that maybe so many don't know. Culture wise, I would say there are many cells and societies that you would really enjoy. You would be interviewed, you would be inducted. There's a really great cell puller which works with children. There's a school near NLI Bhopal that works with children. And societies, you have the dance society, music society, the art society, you have the sports com. The sports com is really active in like Bhopal. It really is. You go there, you the seniors are very nice who play. If you want to play, for example, basketball, you go up to a senior, you say, I want to join this, but I don't know how to play. They'll teach you. They're really great in that sense, and they know, because they know that what you're going through, they have been through, so they become sensitive to that factor, and they talk to you about it, and they make you feel comfortable and safe in that new environment that you have been exposed to. Plus the events are great. You come, you have your freshers. The freshers grade, it has a lot of surprises. You will have fun in freshers, definitely, at Bhopal. You have a lot of other events. Ethnic day, Holi aata hai, and then there's other events that take out at night, and cells have their own events as well. Considering you're a part of a cell, consider sport, you're part of a sports com, they have the after parties as well, and they're amazing. So you will definitely have a great time. You will not know 5 साल कब निकल गए. Definitely feels like that, because मेरे को नहीं समझ आया मेरा first time कब निकल गया.
And moods and all.
Moods are amazing. First of all, if you're in the first year, there will be a compulsory freshers mood that everyone will have to attend, because many a times a kid is scared to go up front and talk about the issue. They don't want to do that public speaking wala thing.
Yeah.
वो रहता है. Plus there's a compulsion for ADRC as well. We need to do that as well, because it really builds up the confidence in the first year itself.
True.
You get the idea कि आगे मूव करने हैं, आगे ADR करना है, या क्या करना है? You want to go in front of a judge and fight, you want to do something, you want to argue, or you want to work in a co-op. You get to know all about it from moods itself and ADRCs itself. Plus the notice boards keep coming out with so many moods, so many ADRCs, that it just fills up. The competitions fill up and you don't know what you want to do. So the culture is amazing, the people are amazing, and you will definitely find your people in this place. That's it.
And she has also like concealed a few things कि
Yeah,
जब
yeah.
आओगे तभी
जब
पता
आओगे
चलेगा,
तब पता
सरप्राइज मिलना
चलेगा.
चाहिए थोड़ा. It's fun thing only.
It's really fun. Freshers के time पे it's really fun.
Yeah.
Really, really,
So
really.
वो आपको सरप्राइज ही मिलना
Yeah.
चाहिए. I think
If
that
you
she
come
will
to
not share.
Bhopal, you will get the
Yeah.
surprises. Definitely.
चलो, thank you so much,
Thank
Radhika.
you.